Do you have a good faith exam or wellness exam and you want to download the PDF patient summary and upload it into your Aestheitrc Record? Let me show you how. When you're in the WeTreat app, we're going to go to Consultations, click on the patient that you want to download the summary, and from there, click Patient Chart. Once it generates the PDF, you're going to click the download button in the top right corner. From there, we're going to go to Aestheitrc Record and locate the patient's chart again. Once you're inside the chart, in the top right corner, you'll see more info. And then we will click Documents. This is where you can store other documents, and we're going to add this file. I'm going to name it Good Faith Exam Clearance. I recommend to put the date. And you can connect it to a specific appointment if you want, or just leave it as is. And when you're ready to upload, you're going to click the upload button here. Perfect. Now that it's uploaded, you want to make sure to save it. Going back to the patient's chart, you'll be able to view the documents at any time here and clicking here, View. Straight from Aestheitrc Record. You should be able to view the documents on an iPad or web browser. Thank you, and if you have any additional questions, please ask your account manager.